So this is a repair attempt on the main back slope for a creased tab. We're going just to remove it and replace it and document the process. Please bear with me as I cannot find a good angle and I'm doing it in some parts with one hand. So just keep that in mind for the shakiness of the video. Note, I'm only going to be bending no more than 45 degrees to either examine the conditions under the shingle or to remove or install the next round of nails. So there's the nail I need to remove. Now I'll actually do just to recap, remove the nails from the shingle above it so that I can access all the nails. Let's see, depending on how this go. Okay. We'll have to do this quickly. Okay, sorry, the video interrupted, ran out of battery. So here's the shingle that we just replaced. And as I was pointing out, on just the shingle above, for example, there is fracturing that has occurred. Get my shadow out of the way. And this is one of the best This is the healthiest part of the roof, and that's why I picked it. Because if it is fracturing there, what is it going to do with the rest of the roof that is significantly more brittle? And my point to this is I chose the healthiest spot on the roof to do the repair to show you the best case scenario, which is still unacceptable. So, in my opinion, this roof is not repairable.